morning, it's Diane with So Charming Quilts again. I just wanted to show you, this is my favorite part of the quilting process, is once I've got my blocks all finished and I've laid them out in the order that they go, and then I can begin sewing my rows together. So you can see I have all of my rows laid out. I have my sashing pieces laid out where they're supposed to go, and my cornerstones are all in place. I did take one row and sew it together for you so that you can see what it looks like. I start by sewing all of my side sashing pieces on first, and then in the directions it says to press all of your seams towards your sashing. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to complete all of my rows first, and then I will come through and I will construct the rows with the cornerstones. Enjoy!